Can artificial intelligence really help someone earn $100 a day online? I decided to ask ChatGPT, and the answers were surprisingly simple, practical, and within reach for almost anyone willing to try. The first suggestion: sell digital products. Use ChatGPT to write an ebook, create a Notion template, or develop a productivity guide. Design your product with Canva, then list it for sale on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. One great product could bring in $10 to $20 a day, almost on autopilot. Next, offer AI-powered freelancing services. Sell blog posts, voiceovers, or social media content, all generated with tools such as ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, or Copy AI. Clients care about results, not the process, so delivering fast, high-quality work is what matters. Another option: start a faceless YouTube channel. ChatGPT writes the scripts, ElevenLabs provides the voice, and tools like Pictory turn it into engaging video. Even a small, consistent channel can generate $3 to $5 per video each day from advertising. Fourth, try AI affiliate marketing. Use ChatGPT to write product reviews or video scripts that promote software, including your affiliate links. Just a few clicks each day can add up to real income over time. Finally, use AI to create courses or coaching programs. Outline your expertise, build lessons with AI, and sell.